Mastering Kitchen English. Understanding, drain after frying. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often pops up in cooking contexts: drain after frying. Whether you're a budding chef or just looking to enhance your English vocabulary, understanding these kitchen-specific terms can be incredibly helpful. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it means to drain after frying. The phrase, drain after frying, might seem straightforward, but there's a bit more to it than meets the eye. To drain in this context means to remove excess oil or fat from food after it has been fried. This is typically done to improve the food's texture and taste, making it less oily and more enjoyable to eat. The process involves transferring the fried food to a surface or tool that allows the oil to flow away from the food. Draining food after frying can be done in several ways, each with its own tools and methods. Here are the most common methods. 1. Using paper towels. Place paper towels on a plate or a tray. After frying, transfer the food onto the paper towels. The towels absorb the excess oil, leaving your food less greasy. 2. Wire rack over a baking sheet. Set a wire rack over a baking sheet. When you remove the food from the fryer, place it on the rack. This allows air to circulate around the food, helping the excess oil drip off while keeping the food crispy. 3. Colander or sieve. For small or loose items, a colander or sieve works well. Place it over a bowl or sink and transfer the fried food into it. The oil will drain away, caught by the bowl or flowing into the sink. Draining after frying is not just about reducing oiliness. It's about achieving the perfect texture and taste. Excess oil can make food feel heavy and diminish its flavor. By draining your food properly, you ensure that it remains crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Moreover, from a health perspective, reducing excess oil intake is beneficial, making draining an essential step for those conscious about their diet. Understanding and mastering the phrase, drain after frying, can significantly enhance your cooking vocabulary and skills, making your culinary creations more delicious and healthier. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of draining and the best practices to do so. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding their application in real-life contexts. Happy cooking and language learning, everyone! See you in our next video.